Welcome to the video where we review two new RBAC roles available in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 5.2. With this release, we have two new RBAC roles, the Manage Drain Mode and Manage Power State role. These roles are intended to let support staff manage aspects of AVD while limiting their ability to make mistakes, such as accidentally deleting a session host. We can use these roles by going to Definitions under RBAC Roles and Add. Give the role a name. For this example, we'll use L1 support. Give it a description if you'd like, and then go to Workspaces under Modules. Here we can see the new roles. Let's first give this definition the Manage Drain Mode role. This role provides enough permissions to stop new connections to a session host that may be experiencing problems, for example. We could leave the definition with Manage Drain Mode only if we don't want the user assigned the definition to take any further actions. Or we could add the new Manage Power State role. Now, the users assigned to the new definition can block new connections to the session host and stop, start, or restart the session host. Click OK to create the new definition. And from here, we can assign the definition to our users. That is an overview of the two new RBAC roles available in Nerdio Manager for Enterprise.